Yung iba kuni-question yung pagiging festival photographer man na babae. Do not let that discourage you. Hello again mga ka-Digital First. This is Armella, your Digital First advocate, and welcome to Captured Stories, kung saan bawat litrato ay may kwento. Alam niyo ba na bukod sa pagiging Digital First advocate, ako ay isa ring travel and lifestyle photographer. So basically, nag-start ako sa photography as part of the job. Pinag-aral ako ng boss ko dati to photograph yung mga eksena sa loob ng mining. Nagsusulat ako ng case studies about miners and mining companies. And naisip niya na bakit hindi na rin ako pag-aralin ng photography para minsan na yung trabaho. So I document both photos, tapos pwede ko na siyang isulat. And then from that job, lumipat ako sa isang project management company wherein I was part of a team na gumawa ng website about Clark. Doon, nag-transition ako from mining photography to travel and lifestyle photography. So from that job onwards, nagstay na ako sa field na yon until expand ako sa food, sa products, and ngayon nakafocus ako sa festivals and also, syempre, travel destinations pa rin kasi medyo gala din ako. So, sakto lang. Okay, the next photo is ito. Top 10 naman siya. So, dalawang photo. One is made it to top 20 and then ito nasa top 10. So, why am I proud of this too? Dahil, yun nga, sabi ko, out of hundreds na sumali on that photo contest, na pinalad tayo na yung dalawang entry natin, both nakapasok sa top 20 and top 10. And what I am most proud of is, these images are yung tinatawag namin SOOC or straight out of camera. I had that in mind nung sinubmit ko na akala ko kasi bawal mag-edit. So lahat ng settings, lahat ng kulay, sinet ko siya sa camera ko bago ako pumitik. And I chose these two images, sinubmit ko siya straight out of camera. And without any edits, without any manipulation, nakapasok sila sa top 20. And yun, parang it validated my, my position. And also gave me a reason na you're doing the right thing. Parang kahit na yung iba kuni-question yung pagiging festival photographer man na babae, do not let that discourage you or change the way you think on how you shoot, because kung ganito nga, first time mong sumali ng contest, naka-top 20 ka kaagad. So you must be doing something right. More photos, more kwento on our next episode. Again, don't forget to follow Emerge on their social media pages, and you can follow me at Around the Metro PH. Again, this is your Digital First advocate, and see you again on Captured Stories with Armella. Bye!